Hello, how to make animation? Today we will look at the steps of this. Cut and capture, my paper cutout animation. Activity, create a stop motion animation using paper cutouts from Canva Elements. To make your animation, you will be using frames. A frame is a single image in the sequence of images used for the stop motion animation. Each frame will play for 0.1 seconds. Instructions 1. Make a new frame by right-clicking an existing page. Then select Add Page. 2. Change the duration of the frame to 0.1 seconds by clicking on the clock symbol on the top toolbar. Your animation will also need to have a background and 3 to 4 moving elements. Search paper cutouts in Canva Elements to find images to use. Move elements by selecting and dragging the center of the object. Rotate elements by clicking on an image and selecting the rotate handle. Resize elements by dragging the corners of the object. Let's work on one together. Drag and drop these elements to your pages. Have a look at the example on the next page. Right-click on the page and select Duplicate. This will copy your existing elements on the page. On the new page, slightly move your chosen objects to give an impression of movement. Move the swan to a new position by clicking and dragging. Repeat right-click on the page and select Duplicate. This will copy your existing elements on the page. On the new page, slightly move your chosen objects to give an impression of movement. You may choose to move them up, down, or even backwards. Click and drag the swan some more. Duplicate the page and move objects until you have 40 frames. Ensure that each frame is set at 0.1 seconds. When finished, press play. It's time for you to give this activity a go. Have fun animating. Resource page. Use these icons and illustrations in your Canva presentation. You can also use the codes to search for more images in the Elements tab. Happy designing! Don't forget to delete this page before presenting.